Brad Hall here, and right next to me is this box that my hands are on right now. Mischief sent me this box, and inside of here there is a sneaker, and it is one of the craziest, wildest, most insane shoes that I've ever seen. And I have seen a lot of shoes. I'm going to show you what's inside right ahead. Thanks, Mischief, for sending me these shoes. I can't wait to break these out of this box. This very nice looking box, actually. I really like the way this was designed. It's got some fun details, and it's even got this giant clue as to what's inside of the box, because it's got a photo of it right on there. And as you can see, kind of a medical walking boot like thing. So let's see exactly what this shoe looks like. Can't wait to pop this open. So the shoes are wrapped in this really nice kind of bubble wrap type thing. Look at that. So this is the Mischief AC1, and it is their take on a walking boot. It's interesting how they took such a utilitarian piece of footwear and turned it into what seems like a much more wearable version. They're much lighter than I was expecting, and they actually feel fairly flexible. This upper material, I just bumped the mic. This upper material actually has some really nice give to it. So I think you'll be able to walk pretty normally in these. I'm gonna test that later. That would be really nice because I don't think you wanna walk around looking like you're actually injured. There are no laces on here. There are just these burly Velcro straps. Those look like they'll be really nice for locking your foot in there. Some interesting tidbits on the Mischief website. It says that it has patented Wow Comfy technology. So it sounds like these are actually going to be comfortable. That flex that I was talking about, it's going to make for a pretty nice experience for your foot. It also says that this neoprene bootie right here, that is waterproof, so you can wear these in the rain, in the bathtub, into a fountain. Now these do have airbags in them, and you can see the bladder system. It's through there, and I believe this is the pump, and it leads into that bladder system. Working both pumps at once, doing double duty on these pumps. Oh yeah, I can feel it already. You can even see it. That provides a ton of support. Look at that. Can't even get my hand out easily. That's just from that bladder system. Now let's release the bladder. I got my hand out. I love the approach that they took on these. It is very clearly inspired by the walking boot, but they made small tweaks to make it a wearable shoe, like that comfort, and then it's actually a pair that you've got a right and left. It's not just meant for any foot. Just a really fun idea. Now I want to get these on foot, see what that experience is like, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna try them on to see how easy these are to get on. They were surprisingly easy to get into, and they felt really good on foot. You're obviously going to turn some heads in these. Truly a statement piece of footwear. People are going to see you on the street and think that person is really willing to take some fashion risks, or they're going to think you broke your ankle, and either of those things, well, either is pretty cool. Now, one piece of advice for styling these that came to me when I had them on, you definitely want this to be the only medical inspired item that you're wearing. If you try to add something else, like a face mask or some cool scrubs or maybe an IV, it's just gonna look too costumey and it takes away from the shoe. So that would be my advice. One medical item per outfit. One other thing I want to report back on, I'm sure you're wondering, what is it like to walk around in these? I got some footage of that. I'm going to show you that right now. As you could see, it's like walking in a normal shoe. It's not going to mess up your gait much. So this shoe, Mischief's AC1, it's launching on the Mischief Sneakers app and on MSCHF.com October 19th for $450. That is American dollars, which I understand is a very strong currency right now. Thanks again, Mischief, for sending me this shoe, and thank you for watching.